I cleaned out a bunch of old tired tomato plants from the garden and plucked out the green tomatoes that came with them. Let's not waste it. It's 14 pounds of goodness. Today I'm making salsa verde with the green tomatoes. Feel free to write this recipe down. After you wash your green tomatoes, dice them into quarters and put them on an oil-lined baking sheet and then bake for 40 minutes at 425 or until roasted and brown. While the tomatoes roast, we'll prep the other ingredients and start sterilizing our jars. I swear it's tears of love. Yummy, I got 8 jars.